have to know. I have to try this.
It's a trifle. It's got all of these layers. Custard, beef sauteed with peas and onions.
It tastes like feet.
How to make custard. So much work. Whisk, 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 whisk.
Beautiful bowl, man.
Let's fill this baby up.
I'm not a big fan of raspberry jam.
This could be the saving grace. I'm gonna cheat a little here.
I am not made of money and I don't like wasting food.
I'm gonna actually cover 3/4 of this. Keep the beef intact. Then I can save the sauteed beef and onion for another meal. And also keep the rest of the dessert intact. Cause you know, I made this from scratch. Kinda. Okay. I'm gonna eat right through that. I'm actually nervous. Oh my God. Oh, every bit in there. Don't be shy. Bon appetit. Oh my. It works! I don't think it tastes bad! What's not to like? Custard good. Jam good. Meat good.